Are you tired of sitting on hold just to find out if your child support payment cleared? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to This Explainer. If you're managing child support in Georgia, you absolutely know how crucial it is to stay on top of those payments for your family's financial planning. Today, we're going to be your personal guide to mastering Georgia's digital child support tools. We'll break down the whole process, from setting up your online account to troubleshooting common issues, so you can save yourself a ton of time and, let's be real, a lot of frustration. Let's dive in. Seriously, let's face it. If you're a parent dealing with the anxiety of wondering if a payment went through, or if you're stuck waiting on hold for hours, or anxiously checking the mailbox for a paper check, you are definitely not alone. But here's the really good news. You don't have to manage things the old way anymore. Complete clarity and total convenience are literally just a few clicks away. So, here's our agenda for today's explainer. We're going to start with a quick welcome to GA Child Support. Then we'll move right into accessing the online portal, tracking and managing your payments, and how to use the mobile app and alerts. And finally, we'll wrap up by troubleshooting some common issues and going over some absolutely crucial security tips. All right, Section 1, welcome to GA Child Support, where we talk about leaving those old paper checks behind. To kick things off, just a quick note for those of you who might be just starting out with this process. The absolute biggest shift you need to know about is that the state has completely left paper checks in the dust in favor of a faster, way more secure digital system. Now, before you can utilize these tools, there is a non-refundable $25 processing fee to apply for child support services, which you can handle at your local agency or online. But once you're in the system, that's when these digital tools are going to become your absolute best friend. Moving right along to Section 2, accessing the online portal. This is basically your new 24/7 command center. So the Customer Online Services Portal is this really great interactive website that empowers you to check balances, review your support schedules, and look at your case history completely on your own schedule without ever having to speak to an agent. But to set up your account without running into any super annoying pitfalls, you've got to follow these exact steps. Step 1, and this is before you even go to the website, call 1-877-423-4746. Step 2, you need to get your individual registration number, or IRN. You can get this from the automated system or a live agent, but you absolutely cannot create your online account without the specific client ID. Okay, once you have it in hand, Step 3 is simply heading over to the Customer Online Services portal to register and create your new password. Now, one of the most useful features of your new command center is case alerts. By setting up these automatic notifications, you literally take all the guesswork out of payment tracking. Instead of having to log in every single day just to check your balance, this system will actually email you the exact moment a payment is received or if an appointment gets scheduled. It is a real game changer. Okay, Section 3, tracking and managing payments. Let's talk about getting your funds securely. Since DCSS no longer mails out paper checks, you basically have two main digital payment options, allowing you to choose the method that best fits your own financial planning. On the left, we've got the Way to Go Debit MasterCard. The state actually mails this directly to you. It's managed by the Go program, and you can monitor the whole thing online. On the right side is Direct Deposit, which sends your funds straight into your personal bank account. Just keep in mind with this one, it usually takes about 2 business days after the payment date for the funds to actually hit your account, so plan accordingly. Now, I do need to point out a crucial detail here regarding a temporary technical issue. If you need to set up or maybe update your direct deposit information right now, the online update feature is temporarily unavailable, so you won't be able to just do it through the portal. Instead, you'll need to use their live chat feature or go ahead and call that main 1-877 phone line to get some assistance. Let's jump into Section 4, Mobile App and Alerts. This is all about DCSS on the go. So what if you need to check your balance while you're out running errands? Well, Georgia actually has a full-service mobile app that puts an incredible amount of power right in the palm of your hand. You can view your 12-month payment history, check on scheduled appointments, and even upload verification documents directly using your phone's camera. And for non-custodial parents, you can actually make payments right through the app. It's an incredibly robust tool that really serves both sides of the case. All right, Section 5. Troubleshooting common issues, because sometimes things just go wrong and you need to get help. Look, when you hit a snag, whether that's a frustrating login error or missing payment, you really need to know how to get support. Navigating government helplines can be, well, a bit tricky. So let's break down how to reach the communication center efficiently. This toll-free number, 1-877-423-4746, is your primary lifeline. It gives you access to the automated system for 24/7 case info, as well as live agents who are there Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Feel free to actually pause this explainer to save this chart on the screen because it breaks down exactly which phone tree option or chat service you're going to need. If you just want automated info, press 2. If you want to talk to a real, live human being, press 3. Having issues with the mobile app, press 4. And honestly, don't forget about the live chat on their website. It's very often a much, much faster way to get help with website navigation than waiting on hold on the phone. Now, if you decided to go with the debit card option, I have a fantastic insider tip for way-to-go debit MasterCard users to help you dodge those incredibly long daytime hold queues. Because the card is managed by a third party, they get absolutely swamped during the day. So if you need card support, try calling between 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Your wait time is going to drop drastically. Finally, Section 6, Security and Final Thoughts. Let's make sure we're protecting your information. Because you're dealing with really sensitive personal data here, keeping your information secure is absolutely paramount. Always, always verify that you are on an official website before you type in your client ID or password. You want to look for .gov at the very end of the web address, specifically georgia.gov or ga.gov. Watch out for those sneaky phishing scams that try to look like state websites but end in .com or .org. Also, please remember that providing third-party bank information for your direct deposit actually violates Georgia law. That bank account legally has to belong to the custodial parent. And as our official disclaimer states, this explainer serves as general guidance based on the current state portals. As we all know, procedures and websites can and do update over time, so always reach out to legal or financial professionals to get personalized advice regarding your specific child support case. So, are you ready to take control of your child support case and finally skip those wait times? We've covered a whole lot of ground today, from finding your IRN to navigating the mobile app, and even how to avoid those annoying long hold times. We highly encourage you to take that first step today by setting up your online account. It truly is the most empowering way to manage your case. Feel free to share your experiences or drop any questions you might have about the portal right down in the comments. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer, and we'll see you next time.